Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So I apologize if my audio is all over the place because I'm still trying to figure out the optimal settings for the video volume and also how I speak. Hopefully this setting will be the perfect one moving forward. Anyway, so today we're going to revisit My Neighbor Alice and its token Alice because Alice is a very good example of one, patterns within patterns exist when looking at structures. Two, when looking at technical analysis for a particular crypto, always remember that it's constantly changing and evolving. And Alice is a very good example of how this actually played out. So let's dive into Alice to see what's going on, okay? So if we looked at the Alice price action, in our last video, we did establish that when the price was hovering around here, we said an ascending triangle was being formed with this current price structure. And if we break out of that triangle, we had a technical target of $15.38. When we made the video around here, after that, price rallied, fell short of the technical target, and held this particular trend line as support, and the subsequent run up met the technical target of $15.38. Now, the Alice price action is a very good illustration of patterns within patterns because what happened after it started resting here? It started forming another ascending triangle right here with the same base layer of candles. So once this technical target has been met, then we can consider it now done. We formed another ascending triangle right here. And this ascending triangle, typically a bullish structure, like I mentioned before, can break both ways. It doesn't always have to break to the upside. So once price started to coil up here, broke out of that, and formed another ascending triangle that was larger, if you break out of this particular trend line of $15.11, then we continue our way forward. However, once you start breaking down from this particular trend line right here, then you had a technical target of $12.31. During the crypto dump, look at where the price action played out. So once it wicked down, it already met the technical target of $12.31, but look at where the price rested. It rested on the technical target of the ascending triangle before a continuation to the upside. This is what I mean about when you analyze a particular crypto, the structures are constantly forming, getting validated, getting invalidated, and you move on, and you move on, and you move on. Now that we have validated both ascending triangle structures, where do we go from here? We appear to be forming a cup and handle pattern right here. So for those of you who are not aware, this is the cup, and the ideal situation is you form the handle, which is exactly what it's doing right now. The cup and handle is typically a bullish structure, but only if you break this particular trend line and this particular price level of around $14.63. The bullish case is you can crab around here for a while, but eventually make your way up the trend line, break it, back test it as support before continuation to our upside targets. Now that we know the structures that need to form for bullish continuation, where do we go from here? So this is where you lay the fibs, and we establish this as the local top because this was the beginning of the uptrend, and we establish this as the local bottom just to see where we're going to go. So right now, the 1618 target of this impulsive move will bring us to around $22.80. This could be our destination moving forward. How we get there would most likely constitute a number of waves, but it's more important that this is our target, but it will take us a while to get there. Why is that? Because we have to take it step by step. You break this pattern first, back test it as support for continuation, and eventually we will make our way to this price level. And that's it. If you like my video, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get more updates on videos in the future. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have some gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll look at it in the future. In the meantime, stay safe everyone. Bye-bye.